garage. If you've ever prepped a car for paint, you know how much of a challenge it can be to strip paint off. I mean, there's, you can see on the shelf behind me, there's a couple different kinds of chemical strip, varying levels of success out of those. Most of today's chemical strip is environmentally friendly, and some of the stuff that's not the professional grade can be very hazardous to your health. So I've tried them all. To be honest with you, this particular 69 Beetle that I'm working on, it's got several paint jobs on it. I would say at least 3 different layers, plus the original finish. If you've ever tried to strip a Volkswagen Beetle of the original paint, it's on there good. Those cars were dipped in the factory and it's very hard to get the paint off. So save yourself some trouble, save yourself some headache and some time, and go to a company called Benchmark Abrasives. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. If you want to sponsor me, that'd be great. Benchmark Abrasives, and get your hands on some of these. These are clean and strip disc, and I'm sure there's other places you can go to get them, but I've had good success using that company, Benchmark, and they sell a lot of different stripping, grinding, welding supplies, and other stuff. So if you need some of that, grab it. But these work great. It makes, literally erases the paint. Like I said, I've got about 3 layers on this car. It literally erases the paint right off of metal. So yeah, get your hands on these. They work really good. Well, as you can see, I've got this, for the most part, 99% stripped down to bare metal. I'd already done the other side over there. Took me about an hour, maybe a little bit longer to do this side with those stripping discs. They work really good, really fast. I'll get this thing wiped down, and then we'll finish the edges, finish prepping it, get some etch and primer on there, and then we'll continue on from there. All right, that's about it. We appreciate all of you that are out there watching. Don't forget, if you like this, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.